Hi friends, welcome back to Easy Couponing, where we make it easy for you to coupon. Happy New Year to every single one of you. Thank you all for joining me. Let's go ahead and check out what I got completely free with this awesome deal I was able to do online. I'm going to go ahead and go over it with you, and I'll show you how to get in on a deal similar to this. First of all, I purchased that Aldi, but you could shop at any store that's available through the app. I did get a bag of potatoes, and I'll show you everything else that I got. This was a very good grocery haul for free. I got some gala apples, some potatoes, some cheese, sauce, um, pasta sauce, bread. I'll go over everything. I'll show you every single thing that I got and how much I paid for it and how to get in on a similar deal. I was able to get all of this completely free, and you will be able to do as well. Simply, you're going to be using my link that I'll be posting here in the description box or in the first comment. Let me go over everything with you. So I got 4 of these organic pasta sauce. This is tomato and basil. I shopped at Aldi, but like I said, you can shop at many different stores that are available through the app. I picked up 4 of these. Since I'm able to get about 2, I could use one of these bottles for 2 times that I cook pasta, or yeah, for two pastas dishes. That'll probably last me about a month, or probably a little bit more. I got 2 things of bread, 2 loaves of bread. I got this pack of ham. Let me show you what else. I got some cheese. I did get a lot of cheese, so don't judge me. But it's for the sandwiches and for the pasta that I'm going to be cooking. I got provolone cheese. Let me show you everything I got. I'm just picking it up here. Getting it ready so I can show you everything. Okay, here we go. Sorry, I was taking everything out and getting it ready. So here it is, provolone cheese, mozzarella cheese. I picked up 4 of each of these packs. And like I said, I'm going to be using the provolone to make my sandwiches, the mozzarella to prepare my pasta dishes. You can prepare whatever, spaghetti, rotini, whatever you like. Like I said, I'm trying to shop for a month, and hopefully all of this will last me for a month. I think it will, or probably a little bit over a month and a half. But I will be sharing some of this with my family as well. So don't judge me. I'm not eating all of this all by myself. I am sharing with my family. Picked up 4 of the provolone cheese, 4 of the mozzarella. And best of all, I didn't even do the shopping. That's how good this was. I didn't even have to go to the store. I simply was laying in my bed last night. I was ordering everything, setting up my order. I used my gift card that I got through Capital One Shopping, and I'll go ahead and show you how to do it in a minute as well, so you can follow the step-by-step instructions on how to set it up and get in on this deal. All right, I got more cheese, American cheese singles. These are comparable or similar to the Kraft. Like I said, I'm going to be using provolone. Sometimes I'm going to switch it up to American cheese, depending on what you like. Pick up whatever you need for you and your family. I'm just showing you an example of what I'm going to be using or what I'm going to be doing this month or for the next couple of weeks. I'm going to be using all of this grocery haul, completely free grocery haul, using my gift card that I got. I did pick up one of these taste like butter. I know it's funny, right? It's similar to the I can't believe it's not butter, but here it's called taste like butter. I love that name. Countryside Creamery. And the Kraft singles, I probably make some grilled cheese. I'm going to be very versatile with everything that I got, making some grilled cheese sandwiches, making some ham and cheese, etc. I did pick up 2 of the baby carrots. These are pre-cut baby carrots. I got 2 of these bags. They're the 1-pound bags. And I say I got, but I ordered and somebody got them for me. They just delivered them. Through DoorDash. And I got 2 of these Roma tomatoes. Initially, I thought I was going to be getting 2 pounds, but I only got 2, which is fine. It's about a pound. I'm going to be slicing these up for my sandwiches. That should be okay. I'll probably pick up a couple more at the end of the week. I'm not using a lot of tomato anyway for the sandwiches, so it should be okay. I picked up 2 of these fruit punch water additives or enhancers, whatever you call it. I like the fruit punch flavor, so I picked up 2 of these. These are the 24 servings or 24 servings in the bottle. Simply squeeze it into your cup or your bottle, water bottle, etc., and enhance the flavor so you drink more water. Try to drink a lot more water. That's why I'm using this. I'm trying to stay away from soda, pop, whatever you call it. I'm not trying to buy any more pop, even though I love my Pepsi. You all already know that I love my Pepsi, but I'm switching it all the way up to water only. And enhancing it with this, I'm able to drink a little bit more. This has 24 servings. Yes, it's 24 bottles, but what I do, since I don't buy bottles anymore, I don't buy bottled water anymore. I used to have that service where they bring you those big 5-gallon bottles. It was getting expensive. It was like $90 to $100 a month. And I'm like, you know what? I could simply filter my water here using my water filter pitcher. And I'll leave it linked down in the description box below and in the first comment as well. It's the zero water filter pitcher, and I have 2 different ones. I'll show you in a minute as well. What I use, I filter the water. You could perfectly drink the water here. It doesn't, it's I live in a big city. The water's perfectly drinkable, but I like to purify it as much as I can. So I use that zero water filter, and then I'm going to be enhancing it with these drops or this fruit punch mix. Hopefully it'll get me away from drinking pop. That's why I got 2 of these. So these will probably last me about a month, I think, or less, depending on how much I drink, right? Hopefully it'll last me about a month, maybe 2 to 3 weeks. I don't know. I'll see. I'll keep you posted. I'll let you know. If I buy more, I'll let you know as well. I got my treat. Of course, everybody loves pizza. Well, mostly everybody. I did get this original thin crust pizza, Mama Cozy's cheese pizza. I picked up 2 of these. These are about medium size, I believe. Picked up 2 of them as part of my order. So in case I want pizza instead of eating pasta or sandwiches, I'll be eating some pizza, maybe on the weekend. So I picked up 2 of those, 2 singles or the American cheese, 2 loaves of bread, the Country Creamery. I can't believe it's not butter. The other one. A lot of cheese, as you can see there, some provolone cheese, American cheese, some mozzarella cheese, the water enhancers, the 4 things of pasta sauce, the ham, the carrots. Pasta sauce is versatile, so you can use it for vegetables as well, or meat, whatever you want to fix with that. I got 2 of the carrots, gala apples. I got a big thing of gala apples. This is a 3-pound bag, yep. And of course, the 10-pound bag of potatoes. You guys already know that I love potatoes. I like filling up on the potato. Gala apples are pretty good. Potatoes, I usually prepare baked potatoes, grilled potatoes, hash browns, you name it, I cook it. I fix potatoes every kind of different way with my breakfast, or I could do it for lunch or for dinner, eat a baked potato. And of course my two tomatoes, which I thought it was going to be 2 pounds, but it turned out to be 2 only. That's okay. I'll pick up more on during the week. So here's all of my haul. Like I said, I got all of this completely free, about a month's worth of food. I already had pasta here from a haul that I did before, and here's my receipt. Here's everything I ordered. I ordered online, like I said. through DoorDash using a gift card that I was able to obtain through Capital One Shopping. I got a $45 gift card through Capital One Shopping, but best of all, we're going to be duplicating or doubling up. You'll be able to get an $80 gift card for a limited time only. So if you want to get in on this deal, you need to click the link in the description box or in the first comment. Click my affiliate link in order to get in on this deal at Capital One Shopping. Here's an example of what that looks like. I'm going to click this link. I'll leave a link for you in the description box and in the first comment so you get in on it. You'll be able to get $80 for signing up. Simply sign up, download the app, or use the web browser extension, whatever you want to do. Download the app, or you could do both and start saving your money. Capital One Shopping. I work directly with Capital One Shopping. I don't go to intermediaries. I don't use a third party. This is directly through Capital One Shopping. Through their link, you'll be able to get $80 referral bonus. Make sure you sign up, and you can shop every store that you can think of. There's over 100,000 stores that you can shop online. Simply sign in. Once you download the app, set it up, give it permission to do your shopping trips and get you that cash back or rewards back. You'll be getting rewards back in your account. You have to download it. You have to download the app, set it up, have it there for at least 90 days. There's over 100,000 stores you can shop through, and then you'll be getting your $80 reward. There is no minimum purchase, so don't worry about the minimum purchase. If you shop online, use your Capital One Shopping app, shop through the Capital One Shopping app so you could get in on this deal. You don't have to shop, but it is recommended. I mean, we're always shopping anyway for products at CVS, Target, Walmart, etc., Sam's Club, Amazon. If you shop through any of those, you'll be able to get in on these deals. As you can see here, Apple, GameStop, Best Buy, Target, Amazon, Lowe's, Sephora. A lot of you all shop at Sephora as well. Nike. Whatever store you shop at, you're going to be shopping through the Capital One Shopping app. Get your percentage back. And those percentages accumulate. So once you save up, you could redeem those points or redeem that reward money into gift cards that you could then use. In my case, I used that gift card that I got from DoorDash through Capital One Shopping, the $45 gift card, to make this entire purchase completely free. All of this completely free using that $45 gift card that I got through Capital One Shopping. When I registered, it was only $45, but I was able to get you all a better deal. I was able to get you $80 back. So make sure you sign up through my link. Like I said, it's a limited time only. I don't know if it's a limited quantity, but if you don't want to miss out, you need to get in on it through my link that I left you in the description box and in the first comment. And you'll be able to double up on your order or double up on your shopping. And even if you don't have Aldi, there's various other stores you can shop at. I'll show you everything that's available at DoorDash. Grocery shopping. You could also redeem your gift cards for many other stores like Macy's, clothing stores, grocery stores. There's a lot of different ones that you could do or shop at. So make sure you sign up through my link in order for you to get that $80 bonus for signing up. Get that money. Don't miss out. Don't say I didn't tell you all, because then you guys tell me, oh, I didn't get in on that deal. I wasn't aware that you were giving away $80 to Capital One Shopping. Well, did you watch the video? Did you listen to what I said? Did you click the link? Don't try signing up on your own. If you try signing up on your own, you're only going to be getting $10 sign up bonus. If you sign up through my link, my affiliate link, Capital One Shopping, you'll be able to get $80 back in rewards. So make sure you sign up to Capital One Shopping so you can redeem that gift card for whatever store you want to shop at. Okay. So like I said here, this is a 4-week worth of grocery haul. I believe it's going to last me for 4 weeks. And here's the zero water containers that I was talking about. Filter pitchers. Here's the bigger pitcher. I fill this one up and I use it for cooking, for different things. I use the smaller one because it's more portable. I bring this along with me if I need to, bring it to work, etc. I'll bring this with me. And it does have this thing here where you could test it. This is the tester. You're able to test the water to see if it shows you 0 or very close to 0, you're good to go. There's no impurities in the water. Like I said, the water is that you could drink the water. There's no problem with the water. I personally like to have it at 0 just so I know that it's completely filtered. So make sure you click the link in the description box in the first comment to get in on those 0 water pitchers. And make sure you click the link to sign up for Capital One Shopping so you get $80 and you'll be able to double up on your grocery haul. Like I said here, this was only $45 worth. You could double up. You could buy meat. You could buy chicken. You could buy steaks. You could buy shrimp. You could buy whatever you want, whatever you need for you and your family. Sign up through my link, Capital One Shopping. Link is in the description box and get in on this free deal that I completely loved. And you guys know I'm going to be eating all this food and I'm going to be sharing with my family as well. So we're all going to be enjoying this grocery haul completely free. Even better because it's free. Did I say free? Free. So here's all the other stores that are available. Like I said, if you do decide to get that $45 or that $80 gift card, once you get that referral bonus in your account, if you decide to get the $80 gift card to DoorDash, simply log into DoorDash. You're going to see the grocery tab. You click groceries and it shows you all of the stores that are available in your area. There's all these stores available in my area. Aldi is my favorite one because I know I could save even more money there. So that's why I shop there. But you can pick and choose whatever store you like. You don't necessarily have to have Aldi, or you don't necessarily have to shop at Aldi like I do. I just simply like it because I save more money this way. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you leave me a comment down below. Make sure you let me know if you were able to get in on this deal. Everybody's going to be able to get in on it. You just need to sign up through my link. Make sure you download the app or set up the browser in your PC or tablet, etc. Click the link, sign up. Don't miss out. Don't miss out. This is free money. $80 completely free to get in on a grocery haul, or you could use the money for whatever you want. But like I said, I typically like to use that money for groceries since I'll save money on that, and we're always buying them. Bye, guys.